Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about 2D coordinate system IIT JEE Mains Level 1 pattern type questions. Question number 33. In triangle ABC, capital A equal to 5, 6 and its centroid is 2, 3. Then midpoint of the side BC is, these are the four options given. Here given point capital A in a triangle ABC, capital A is equal to 5, 6 given. Centroid G equal to 2, 3. ABC is the triangle. In this question, to find midpoint of the side BC, let it be D the midpoint of side BC. To join AD, this is median. This line is median. Here AD is equal to median. This is the centroid G. The centroid G median divides in the ratio 2:1. 2:1 to find D coordinates. Let D is equal to midpoint of BC, that equal to x, y. Here AD is the median. Centroid G divides median AD in the ratio 2:1. 2:1, that is m:n. To apply the section formula, here capital A is equal to 5, 6, x1, y1, D is equal to x, y, x2, y2. Apply the section formula. G equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the section formula. Apply the values. Here G equal to 2, 3. mx2, m equal to 2 into x, 2x. nx1, n equal to 1 into 5. m plus n, 2 plus 1, 3. my2, here m equal to 2, y2, y, 2y. ny1, n equal to 1 into 6 by m plus n, 2 plus 1, 3. Here 2x plus 5 by 3 equal to 2. 2y plus 6 by 3 equal to 3. Here 2x plus 5 by 3. 2x plus 5 by 3 equal to 2. 2x plus 5 equal to 3 into 2, 6. 2x equal to, here plus 5 becomes minus 5. 6 minus 5, 1. X equal to 1 by 2. Next, to find the y coordinate, 2y plus 6 by 3 equal to 3. 2y plus 6 by 3 equal to 3. Cross multiply with the 3. 2y plus 6 equal to 3 into 3, 9. Here plus 6 becomes minus 6. 9 minus 6. 2y equal to plus 6 becomes minus 6. 9 minus 6, 3. Y is equal to 3 by 2. Here capital D equal to midpoint of BC, that equal to x, y. D equal to x, y. The x value is 1 by 2. Y value is 3 by 2. The first option is correct. Question number 36. The vertices of a triangle are 6, 6, 0, 6 and 6, 0. The distance between its circumcenter and centroid is, here the four options are given. In this triangle, the vertices are given let first vertex, let A equal to 6 comma 6, B equal to 0 comma 6, and C equal to 6 comma 0. Here to observe that here x coordinate is 6, in C also x coordinate 6, here y coordinate is 6 in A, in B also y coordinate is 6. Then this type of vertices form a right angle triangle. To observe this diagram, x axis, y axis, origin. Here B equal to 0 comma 6 lies on y axis. This is B equal to 0 comma 6. C equal to 6 comma 0 lies on x axis. This is point C. Here this is 6 units, this is 6 units. Here capital A equal to 6 comma 6, C equal to 6 comma 0, B equal to 0 comma 6. Here this is a 90 degree. Angle A is 190 degree. Here BC is the hypotenuse. BC is the hypotenuse. We have to find the distance between circumcenter and centroid. To observe that, always one point is remember, if one vertex is here, this is x comma y vertex. In x comma y vertex, the x coordinate 6 is the x coordinate is of another vertices. Here y coordinate is 6. This is the coordinate of y equal to 6 is the another vertices at B. This type of vertices always represent right angled triangle. Here triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Triangle ABC. Here angle A equal to 90 degree. Angle BAC equal to 90 degree. In a right angle triangle, circumcenter always lies on, circumcenter denoted by S, always lies on midpoint of hypotenuse. Here BC is the hypotenuse. Circumcenter S equal to midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC, S equal to midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. 0 plus 6, 0 plus 6, 6, 6 by 2 comma 6 plus 0 by 2, 6 by 2. 2 ones, 2 threes, 2 ones, 2 threes. Circumcenter equal to 3 comma 3. To find centroid, centroid G, the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Here first vertex x1 y1, second vertex x2 y2, third vertex x3 y3. To apply the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. 6 plus 0 plus 6, 12. 12 by 3. Here also 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. 12 by 3. 3 ones, 3 fours. 3 ones, 3 fours. Here 4 comma 4. In this question, to find the distance between circumcenter and centroid. Circumcenter is S, centroid is G. To find SG distance, square root of 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 1. Here also 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Root 2. Root 2 is the third option, is correct. Question number 37. If capital A equal to 3 comma minus 4, B equal to 7 comma 2 are the ends of a diameter of a circle and C equal to 3 comma 2 is a point on the circle, then the orthocenter of the triangle ABC is. These are the 4 options. Here observe that capital A point is given 3 comma minus 4. B point is given 7 comma 2 are the ends of the diameter of a circle. This is one circle. This is circle. This is the diameter passes through center of the circle. This is center point. Passes through center of the circle AB. AB is the diameter end points given in the question. And C is the point on the circle. This is the C is the point on the circle. The vertices is given C equal to 3, 2. C is the point on the circle. To observe that, one important point, this is the semicircle. This is the triangle ACB. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. This is 90 degree. If the diameter AB end points are there, the point C on the circle to join AC and BC, then the angle ACB equal to 90 degree. Here given AB is diameter of circle. Here angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Angle ACB equal to 90 degree. Angle ACB equal to 90 degree. In triangle ABC, if right angle triangle is there, ortho center is the 90 degree vertex. Here ortho center is equal to, it generally denoted by H or O. Ortho center equal to C vertex, 90 degree vertex, C. That is equal to 3, 2. The ortho center of the triangle is 3, 2, third option. In a right angle triangle, 90 degree vertex represent ortho center of the triangle. Question number 38. The vertices of a triangle are 0, 0, root 3, 3, minus root 3, 3. Then the in center is 4 options are given. Here first vertex let it be capital A equal to 0, 0, B equal to root 3, 3, C equal to minus root 3, 3. In a triangle ABC, to find the in center of the triangle. Here BC distance let it be small a, AC distance is small b, AB distance is small c. To find small a equal to BC distance, here root 3 minus of minus root 3. Root 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3. 2 root 3 whole square. 2 square 4. 3 square, root 3 square 3. 4 into 3, 12. 12. 3 minus 3, 0. That equal to root 12. Next, to find small b. Small b equal to AC distance. 0 plus root 3. 0 minus of minus root 3 plus root 3. 0 plus root 3, root 3 whole square 3. 0 minus 3, minus 3 whole square 9. 3 plus 9, 12, root 12. Here small c is equal to AB distance. Small c is equal to AB distance. Here 0 minus root 3. 0 minus root 3 is equal to minus root 3 whole square 3. 0 minus 3 whole square 9. 3 plus 9 root 12. To observe that here the three sides are equal, then triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all are coincide. Centroid, incenter, orthocenter, circumcenter. These are all coincide in equilateral triangle. Then incenter is equal to centroid of the triangle. Centroid G. The centroid formula x1 y1 first vertex, second vertex x2 y2, third vertex x3 y3, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, 0 plus root 3 root 3, root 3 minus root 3 0, 0 by 3 comma, here y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 by 3, 0 by any number is 0, 3 ones 3 2, 0 comma 2 is the in center of the triangle. First option is correct. Question number 1. The point capital A sin theta comma cos theta is 3 units away from the point B 2 cos 75 degree comma 2 sin 75 degree. If 0 less than equal to theta less than 360 degree, then theta equal to, here capital A vertices and B vertices is given. To find value of theta in between this angle 0 and 360 degree. Here the distance between AB is equal to 3 units. These are the 4 options. Capital A is equal to, given capital A is equal to sin theta comma cos theta, B is equal to 2 cos 75 degree comma 2 sin 75 degree. Here AB distance is equal to 3 units given in the question. In distance between 2 points, square root is there. Then squaring on both sides, the square root is cancelled. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. AB square equal to 3 square 9. Here apply distance between 2 points. The root is cancelled in the square. Sin theta minus 2 cos 75 degree. Sin theta minus 2 cos 75 degree whole square. Difference of x coordinate whole square plus difference of y coordinate whole square. Cos theta minus 2 sin 75 degree whole square equal to 9. Here a minus b whole square expansion, sin square theta a square plus b square 4 cos square 75 degree minus 2ab minus 2 sin theta 2 to 4 minus 4 sin theta cos 75 degree. Here also apply a minus b whole square formula. Cos square theta 2 sin 75 whole square 4 sin square 75 4 sin square 75 degree minus 2ab 2 to 4 4 cos theta sin 75 degree is equal to 9. Here observe that sin square theta plus cos square theta is identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. 4 cos square 75 degree. Here 4 sin square 75 degree. 4 is common. Cos square 75 degree plus sin square 75 degree. Minus 4 sin theta cos 75 degree. Here minus 4 cos theta sin 75 degree. Minus 4 is common. Sin theta cos 75 degree. Here if minus is common, plus is there. Minus 4 is common. Plus cos theta sin 75 degree equal to 9. Here also identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. Cos square 75 degree plus sin square 75 degree. This value is also 1. 1 plus 4 into 1, 4 minus 4 into, here one formula is there, trigonometry, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equal to sin of A plus B. This is the formula. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Here A is equal to theta, B is equal to 75 degree. Sin of theta plus 75 degree minus 4 sin of theta plus 75 degree equal to 9. Here 1 plus 4, 5 minus 4 sine theta plus 75 degree equal to 1 plus 4, 5 plus 5 becomes minus 5, 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Minus 4 sine of theta plus 75 degree is equal to 4. Here 4 get cancelled. Sine of theta plus 75 degree equal to minus 1. Actually, sine 90 degree is equal to plus 1. Here minus 1 is there. To take third quadrant 180 plus theta, third quadrant. Second quadrant 180 minus theta, third quadrant 180 plus theta. Sine theta plus 75 degree is equal to sine 180 plus 90. Sine theta plus 75 degree is equal to 180 plus 90, 270. Sine 270 degree. Here sine ratio get cancelled. Then theta is equal to 275 minus 75. Plus 75 becomes minus 75. Here 5 minus 5, 0. Here 270 degree. This is 270 degree. Here 10 minus 5, 5. Here 6 is there. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is 9. This is 195 degree. 270 minus 75 is equal to 195 degree. This is the first option is right. Question number 2. This is the important one. Point B is symmetric to capital A 4 comma minus 1 with respect to the bisector of the first quadrant. Then length of AB is, the 4 options are given. Here, listen here. This is the coordinate axis. X-axis, Y-axis intersect at origin. Here the bisector of the first quadrant means here the angle between the coordinate axis is 90 degree. Bisector means the line passing through 45 degree, 45 degree. If the line passing through 45 degree, 45 degree in first quadrant, this line is passes through first quadrant and fourth quadrant. This line is called bisector of the first quadrant or bisector of the fourth quadrant. This line equation, this is the 45 degree. This line equation, remember that x minus y equal to 0. This line equation is x minus y equal to 0. Here, in this question, point B is symmetric. Symmetric means image. Capital A 4 comma minus 1. 4 comma minus 1 lies in fourth quadrant. This is the quadrant 3. The line x minus y passes through Q1 and Q3. Q1 and Q3. Here capital A 4 comma minus 1 lies in Q4. This is capital A 4 comma minus 1. To find the B the symmetric of A with respect to this first quadrant bisector of the first quadrant line. Here B point, this is the B point, first quadrant of a line. Then B the image of A. Symmetric means image. Here one concept, listen here. In this coordinate axis, the first quadrant bisector is x minus y equal to 0. This is the line x minus y equal to 0. The point B is symmetric or image to capital A x1 comma y1 with respect to the bisector of the first quadrant. First quadrant bisector, you remember that x minus y equal to 0. This proof is already known in intermediate. One question is there. Find the equation of bisector. Find the equation of equal angles makes with coordinate axis and passing through origin. Here, this is the bisector of the line x minus y equal to 0. Here capital A x1 comma y1, then the image, if x minus y equal to 0, then image is y1 comma x1. Here this is x1 comma y1. B is symmetric. Capital A is equal to 4 comma minus 1. This is x1 y1 with respect to the line is first bisector of the first quadrant line equation is x minus y equal to 0. Then the b coordinates y1 comma x1. This is the formula. x1 comma y1 is y1 comma x1. Here y1 is minus 1, x1 equal to 4. To find AB distance. Here in this question, to find length of AB. 4 minus of minus 1 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 square, 25. Minus 1 minus 4. Minus 5 whole square, 25. 25 plus 25, root 50. Root 50 equal to 25 into 2. Square root of 25 is 5. 5 root 2 is the answer. Here the first option is correct. This is the important model. This is the 2D coordinate system JEE Mains part. These are the level 2 type model questions. Next video also discuss about level 2 type model questions. Okay, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also if you have any doubt, drop them in the comment section.